Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First of all, make sure that you will open the keyboard. So for example, in Messages, Notes, Browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all you have to do is to simply tap and hold the spacebar. Now we have to tap on Language Settings, and as you can see here, we've got the list of our languages and under it those which are available. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon. Here we've got the hint, so we can change the language just by swiping on the spacebar. And as you can see here, we've got our new language, then English, then Russian, and again the which one? That was Japanese. So this is how it works. If you want to, you can also remove the language from this list. Just take a look at this section of the list and tap on it. And as you can see, they are not marked, which means that we will have only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.